Hey everyone, I'm Florin, and today we're gonna have a look and unbox some of the stuff I bought it in the Prime Day on Amazon. So as you can see on the desk, I still have the plastic because I want to protect it. I didn't have a desk mat, now I purchased one. So Autia Renewable Resource Pioneer. Okay, let's see how it looks. So it's one of these leather, so-called desk mats. So it says, they say they have two faces. I don't see myself use this one, so basically it's one. So this is how it looks. Second item in the list is SSD enclosure. I have a 2 terabytes SSD. I used it previously for my PS4 Pro, but now I have a PS5, so I don't need it any longer. I'm gonna use it for my Mac. So the company is called Ugreen. Yeah, it's plastic. Nothing special. So you have a USB-C. Let's go to USB normal. Yeah. Well, I hope we're gonna do the job. Yeah, inside they have a manual. I don't think it's so complicated. You need a manual for this, but it is what it is. LG Ultra HD monitor 4K 27UN83A, a 27-inch monitor. They say it's HDR. I doubt, because you have a big brightness of 400, so it's supposed to have at least, I don't know, 600, 800 to be close to HDR. You have a IPS panel, and what I'm most excited for, it's a USB Type-C. I don't know why. Well, actually I can't imagine why. There are not that many unboxing and review for this monitor. It's not a gaming one, so people, they're not really keen on this kind of stuff. It's rated G energy efficiency, so it's not that efficient. Well, let's unbox and see what it's inside. Okay, we'll open it. So inside they give you some information how to install it. Okay, let's open it. So inside it's a metal leg. It's light, to be honest. It doesn't inspire too much confidence. Well, it is what it is. Okay, let's keep going with the. So this is the second piece of the support, the arm. It's metal also. It looks solid. And this is probably like a management cable or something. That's a big brick. Yeah, 140 watts. It's quite big actually. White. And this is the second part of the charging cable. We have HDMI to HDMI. Okay, USB-C cable. I'm really happy I don't need to buy another one. That's another reminder, it's not very efficient. Really. A disc. But you can see they don't even put in a case or envelope or something to protect it. It's just, they just put it inside. I don't know why they bother to do this. And they tell you what is inside the box in the leaflet. So it's the same paper for all three monitor. 27UK83A. This one, it was released I believe in 2018. 27UL850, that was actually I was looking to buy, but I didn't find it on Amazon. So this one is 2019 model, and 27UN83A is 2020 model. Yeah, some information, blah blah blah. Okay. And the start of the show. I'm gonna put the camera down. I don't want to do something I'm gonna regret it. So this is the monitor. We're gonna have a look very soon. Okay. So this is the arm. Okay, I'm not really excited about this arm. I mean, this part is look okay, but this one is look, I don't know. Well, it is what it is. It's very easy to install. So that's the arm. Okay. So what we have in the back: USB-C port, a display port, 2 HDMI, 2 USB-C, one charging. To be honest, I don't know what it is. Oh, it looks to be like a headset or something. Kensington lock. The back of the monitor is white. So yeah, we have again the energy rating. Okay, up, down. Yeah. Unfortunately, it doesn't go right, left. But nice. Okay. Okay, let's try to put it together. This look far too small for me. Yeah, 1440p. This look good, sounds good. Nice display. What can I say? Nice color. 4K. An IPS panel from LG. Unfortunately, the black level, they're not the best. Also, the contrast is not the best, but it's fine. Well, the sound it doesn't come from, I didn't figure out yet.
Done defrosting your fridge freezer? Hisense Total No Frost Tech constantly moves cool air around the appliance.
And there's delivery available in a click, 7 days a week. Shop now at ao.com.
Not the best sound, but it's doable. It's fine. So I pay for this monitor. Okay, let's stop it before we have some problem with the copyright and everything. So I pay for this on Amazon Prime Day, £330. It was reduced from 400. Like I was saying, I was looking for the previous model because that was around 340, but they didn't have it in stock. So I'm glad I wait and I buy this one. It's the newer model. It looks nice. So I'm gonna come with a review when I have more clue about the monitor, what it can do. But anyways, look nice. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.